Good morning, champions. Welcome to Watch We Are the Champions. It's post comrades, hey? Yo, what a day it was yesterday. We saw an amazing result, amazing performances. We are here with the podium finisher. Tobrana, congratulations. Please introduce yourself to our watchers.
My name is Molombudu. I'm from Namadi, Frankfurt, Free State. So I came here just to run comrades. Then I came position 3. So I'm very excited about that. Even though it was not my plan to finish it, but yeah. No moral ko na lang kisa pili ka for finish today. I proud ka yeah. I will keep working hard.
Muna wa Freestad. How is it, Top Runner ne? How nahana ka comrades ya maubane? It's a maile jwang. How sheba the plans are how the preparations and the execution. It's a maile jwang.
I tla ka tsamaile hantle mara na next I prepare for comrade make thusa friend ya ka ka training. Then be yona training le thusa yona be ke rana e re nna ke glo league ka yona nthi but then di glo I la khona o tswelella like
re o shebile maubane o ne o matha peko pele o tsamaya hantle and then all of a sudden wama ne wetsa la ka nna for this
ne se feel di krempe I before di ba too much ke ke relax ke drop ska nna ka phamisa maoto ga ka ntshwara le tla thana go tele be ba khasa.
Okay, now that une isileng I plan ya ha o ntwena ne and now podium kitada surprise. What are your plans going forward? Are you coming back next year for comrades? Are you having bigger plans? Because the capability is there. We all saw.
Yeah, next year I will down run. And the last year I matter than Rafella 47 key.
Sure.
Which means okay, next year I will get a thing around.
Okay.
Full time.
Okay. Now Peleria go down run next year. From here now, after recovery, unal the plans thing. Unali marathon or targeting or utoweta.
Actually, next in race for matter fella the post country fair.
Okay. Okay. Really buhato brana man, congratulations. Nerishebile maubane performances were on top. Really all the best, ne?
Right.
Hey, tada.